Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. I know you're probably thinking the crypto market crashed again. Yes, it did. Don't worry, be calm. Today I'm going to share 3 reasons for you to stay calm during this crypto crash, and I'll also explain to you how this happens over and over again in this new technology. So before I do that, my name is Ida. I bring you videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you haven't already, please click on like, subscribe, and don't forget to share, because sharing is caring. Let's start out and just do a woo-saw. Woo-saw. Whoo. Calm down. Count to 10. Go to the gym. Spend time with your family or your friends. Do something that you enjoy doing. Don't worry about this, guys. If you are new to the crypto market, these type of roller coaster rides happen over and over again in crypto. And here's what happens. You haven't lost a dime until you sell your crypto. But here's what I do want you to know. Make sure that you are not investing any money that you can't afford to lose, because any market, the NASDAQ, the Dow, the S&P 500, any of them can go to zero. So just make sure that you're not investing any money that you can't afford to lose. Also, make sure I am not a financial advisor, so make sure you are doing your own research. Okay, so first, let me talk about reason number 1 for you to stay calm. This is the future of technology. Web 3.0, cryptocurrencies, digital assets are the future technology of the world. That's what they are. You have right now, let's look first of all at what the technology will do for us. Look at the metaverse. The metaverse is simply an extension of what we already do online and virtually. We shop online. We talk to our doctors and medical professions online. People date online. They get married online. They conduct business online. So everything is already done. Most things virtually. The metaverse is just going to take that to a next level. Let's take a look at non-fungible tokens and NFTs. NFTs is going to bring about a whole new way of how we work. NFTs are going to allow us to be more efficiently, pay less money for services and different things that we do. And it'll also make our lives more compatible with different things that we want to do, and it'll give us a lot more convenience. So NFTs, you got the metaverse. The big thing that I love about blockchain and Web 3.0 is the DeFi. Cryptocurrency is going to bring about a brand new way of how we borrow and how we lend or earn interest on our money. It's going to be huge. DeFi is going to be huge. It is. And so the way that we borrow and lend money today is going to be very, very different in 5 years, courtesy of Web 3.0, digital assets, and blockchain. So number 1, the technology. It is going to improve our lives. Think about it. Look at what Uber did for riding and taxis. Uber gave taxis a run for their money. Look at Airbnb. Airbnb gave the hotels a run for their money, and it made hotel costs a lot more competitive. That's what Uber did. So look at what cell phones did to the traditional landline phone companies. It took the technology to another level, and it required them to be more competitive. Okay, so the technology is going to increase our lives and the way we do things. Number 2, adoption. We've got adoption from countries, Ukraine, Russia, El Salvador, even the United States. The United States is getting ready to come out with a regulatory framework and some clarity with regulation so that a lot of big institutions can begin to purchase and use cryptocurrencies. Bank of America, they already have a system that they're exploring to allow their clients purchase cryptocurrencies. Wells Fargo already allows its clients to purchase cryptocurrencies. And then you have Chase, which is the largest bank in the United States. Chase is pushing the regulators for an expedited clarification, because they have many large institutions that want to be able to purchase cryptocurrencies, but they won't do it without regulation. Regulation is important, guys. So that's number 2. So we've got technology. That's a reason to stay calm. This is the technology of the future. The adoption. Countries are adopting it. You can go into any Walmart and they have the machines where you can purchase Bitcoin. You've got large companies, Google, Microsoft, Walmart, All the large companies are in with crypto, okay? So the adoption is there as well. And number three, the third and most important reason is that you can purchase these assets for dirt cheap. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. Look at my videos to tell you how to select a cryptocurrency. And but you can buy them dirt cheap. Today Bitcoin is like 37,000. Ethereum is 2,500. Harmony One is like 14 cents. I mean, that's crazy, right? Polygon Matic is $1.45. Solana is like $80 or $85. This is a fire sale. And that's how I look at it. This is a fire sale. These things are on sale. I am not panicked at all. I am so excited. I'm looking for money in between pillows and couches and underneath everywhere. I want to spend every dime. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. Guys, the people who get rich in any kind of asset class, this is when they're buying. When the housing market crashed, the real estate investors who bought those houses cheap, and they held on to them, they were the ones that became rich. When the stock market drops, when the S&P 500, when the NASDAQ drops, those investors who purchase those stocks cheap are the ones that make it. I know your stomach may feel tight, and I know it makes you nervous, but it shouldn't. If you're really trying to have wealth, capitalize off of this time. It is a great time for you to become a crypto millionaire, but this is when you have to buy. You got to hang tight. You got to feel good about it. And I do. Just do your own research. Buy a good project. So that's all I have. My name is Ida. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.